Hello everybody and welcome to HermesDefi official YouTube channel. Our first video was going to be a detailed overview about our project, but since many members of our community seem to be unaware of how to create and stake Balancer LP tokens, we decided that it was better to go through a little tutorial on how to do this first. For those of you who are new to Balancer, the way it works is simpler than it looks. Usually, in order to create LP tokens, you must divide the amount you deposit in two and inject liquidity in equal parts, 50% in one token and 50% in another one. What Balancer has done is allow investors to create LP tokens by adding liquidity in more than two tokens. For example, this one right here is an LP token which liquidity is made of 4 tokens, USDC, DAI, Mematic and USDT. So it would be 25% in each one of them that you will have to add. There are many options in Balancer, but let's say we choose this one. Once we have created the LP tokens, we just go to HermesDefi and stake it into the correct pool the usual way we do it in other funds. If you are in the main page of HermesDefi, you just go to the tab Balancer LPs. And following the example that we took, this would be the right pool in which to stake your LP tokens: USDC, DAI, Mematic and USDT. In order to redeem your LP tokens for the assets you provided liquidity in, you just need to go backwards through the steps you took before, as you usually do with normal LP tokens. I hope this quick explanation has been useful for you guys. Please leave us your comments down below and give us a thumbs up if this video provided value to you. If you're interested in being notified every time we post a new video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on all the bell notifications. The team of HermesDefi wish you all a good day and we'll be in touch.